Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RENN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $2. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a good, solid sign of power. Taking a step back, though, and looking at everything from more so a bigger picture point of view, and this also assumes you have a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50 period at simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Once again, staying above $2, that would be great. But big picture-wise, as long as the price is above that purple line, the overall trend is 100% in the bulls' control. What about levels of resistance? So where are some of these sellers hanging out at? Pretty cut and dry right now. It seems though the majority of the sellers are right up there at about $2.25. I realize the price did actually go up above there, but there's just a whole lot more data points right around $2.25. You can see several right there, and then another one from this afternoon. So it seems as though the quote-unquote true level of resistance is right there around $2.25. All in all, though, yeah, resistance levels matter, but they don't, because as long as the price starts building higher bases over time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on going through healthy consolidations and building higher lows, and then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.